Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Juice and Foods. Happy New Year and Happy New Month. I'm sure we're going to enjoy all of God's blessings this new year. So, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you're the first to know anytime I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm. And at the end of this video, please leave me a comment. And thank you to my returning subscribers. I wouldn't be able to do all of this without your help. So today we're going to be making a very colorful, healthy salad. I'm sure you've had nothing like it. Let's get started. I begin by thoroughly washing my hands as I'll be touching and eating the salad raw. Make sure to wash your veggies as well. First off, we're going to start with a white and green cabbage. I finely slice it and set aside. Cabbages are packed with nutrients and vitamins. They're high in fiber and contain powerful antioxidants that protect the body from damage. Next is my purple cabbage, which I also finely sliced and set aside. While its color alone is eye-catching, purple cabbage does not disappoint. It helps fight inflammation, enhances gut health, and promotes weight loss. I shredded a few carrots off camera. They are an important component of this salad. Carrots help repair and protect the skin from damage. Afterward, I grate a cucumber. They help with hydration. Finally, I dice my popping red cherry tomatoes, which are rich in vitamin C and help to flush out harmful free radicals from the body. Now it's time to assemble the salad. Preferably use a bowl. However, I wanted to really show the popping colors, so I'm going to be using a flat plate. I begin with some washed lettuce and kale, and then I add the rest. Wow, guys, just look at my perfect, colorful, healthy salad. Now for our simple dressing. To a glass jar, add Just pour the dressing on the salad and enjoy! Bon appetit! Come chop! Wajong! Nibla! So guys, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, do subscribe if you haven't. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Ciao!